Today, we're going to try and fix this 2000s Jetta cup holder. So, if you've got a 2000 or so Jetta, I think mid 2000s, and your cup holder looks something like my cup holder, yeah, that's not good. We're going to replace this. There's a nice company out there on Amazon, sells complete replacement units. There they are, Easy Auto. Probably straight from China, but so these looking at the new one here, are held in the clip on each side like that. And so come in here and release your clip. I might have to get 2 punches here, actually. I bet I'm gonna need 2. I was thinking I could get one off one side, then one off the other side, but that one might be out. Yeah. There it is, one-handed even. There's a clip on that side, clip on that side. Take your new unit, pop it in the dash. Ha ha! Woo! Cup holders again. And these are expandable, so you can put even bigger stuff in here. Sweet. All right, well, that was simple. Hope that helped somebody out. Like it and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Catch you guys later.